war vet resurfaces. Merciless talks about his tribulations, but says he ain't broke. The 46-year-old on the comeback trail.
Real war, them start them war. Kill become the kill. Me nah run.
Sting staple, Merciless on the warpath in the old days. Warhead also calling himself the Galdem Gezada, best known for squaring off against other Clash gladiators. Bounty, Ninja Man. Merciless, however, something of a dancehall casualty, doing time in the US before being deported in 2007.
Go and sit now and same thing.
How did you get caught up in all of that stuff?
Yeah, because I've been, taking care of my life. That means, when I go fire and go leg on myself. That means I have to take care of myself. That means, you understand?
No, I don't.
You
Try
don't
and
understand.
spell it out.
You don't understand, so I can't do fire and don't chop.
Why?
Because I got to do that.
Why?
Otherwise, you wouldn't see me now.
The backstage a play.
How long were you in prison?
I like from 4 or 5 years. Like state to federal.
You look back at that period and say you made some wrong moves?
Yes, everybody made bad moves. I've made some bad moves, and come to think of it now, I'm seeing that being the person that I am now, I would never make such mistakes again.
Well, I'm a born Jamaican.
He lives in Clarendon, above Chapelton, cuts dubs, does the occasional gig.
You may not hear me on the radio or see me on the TV, but I'm out there doing my stuff.
So, people are going to say, well, Merciless is broke now, and that's why he's trying to relaunch his career.
What? Merciless is what?
Broke.
Am I begging anybody nothing? I'm never gonna ask no one for nothing. You know my bank account? I want to find out people business, man. But broke. My house a 8-bedroom, but broke.
DJ, we'll knock it from top,
Yeah, man.
Ready again.
Foreign get serious.
Merciless cannot be broke when I sing good song. Girl I fly all the way from Paris. Long time me a all gallis. Mama cooking are the greatest. Me a the girl them Gizada. Girl them say them want me from the first minute they saw me. You know how much for one of them song there? So all broke. That, you see, Jamaica people might and some people might, then just look on people and stereotype them more time. For no reason. Because them don't know how y'all live. Them would like to find out, Them too inquisitive, man. Them a try find out my business.
Why DJ me tell us when this drop problem are rolling it.
Problem this.
Every man I get important.
He says his time as a DJ hasn't expired, just been derailed.
Kind of one way. Because sometimes in life, you see, Anthony, the worst can happen to the best of us. So I'm back at it.
Serious. Immigration no ram.
Sometimes you can't do show up, because I'm in a party, I don't got dance, I don't set table a party like how some boy got weddy. Every Wednesday night. Go set table and them things, they don't do that. The sweetest part of my life is staying on my bed. If I'm not there for Marvin's studio Vice, I run a Wayne Lonesome, I'm there on my bed. Because he's not a street youth like that.
His wife died a few years ago. Then he was physically assaulted.
Yeah, man, boy, I hid behind my back and broke my left wrist.
And what were the circumstances?
Not all more than people just grudgeful and bad mind.
Somebody broke your hand or your wrist with a bar because they were grudgeful and bad mind?
Yeah, man. Because me not trouble nobody. Me not take nothing for nobody. Me not thief nobody nothing. And somebody just do that out of no reason.
You know we got to make it, oh, we got to make the Benjamins.
But you know, Merciless was a major DJ in Jamaica. Then,
I'm still is.
no, you're not. You crashed. No, you're not.
I am
Being
still
a man
is.
and Bounty Killer.
No, being
Hold
a man
on now.
Listen, I'm saying
Just
to you,
listen
man.
to
Don't
me.
contradict me. Anthony, I am still is a major entertainer in Jamaica. You know, your popcorn tell you, say, no boy at all can start me because I'm a warhead like Leonard Bartley. What I'm to you?
Serious Donald Trump now ramp.
Didn't you say that you're trying to reinvent yourself?
I'm saying to you now, me not have to play in a dance. Go and punch in a jukebox. And you find any Merciless you want to find, the latest and the newest and the oldest in any jukebox. Because if you're not playing a jukebox, you're not an artist.
Me know say what I don't want to see me and Bounty Killer turn up here, so I ain't gonna give
But when people talk about the dancehall veterans, they talk
Dancer,
about Bounty
I'm not
and
a
Beanie.
veteran. I'm
They
not
don't
a
talk,
veteran.
but they don't
Veteran
talk
is a
about
man who go to war and come back with one eye, 1 foot and 1 hand.
when people talk about
See me have me 2 good
yes,
foot,
when
and me 2
people
good
when
hand.
people talk about your contemporaries, Bounty and Beanie are the names that come up.
Yeah.
They're not talking about Merciless
No,
right
I don't
now.
care if they want to talk about me because I know who I am. And I'm still is. And me a the hunger man. Go a St. Mary, go kill Ninja and I'm parish. Bounty never do it. Who is him? Nobody to me, you know. Me older than Bounty Killer. Me a big man for Bounty. Bounty a boy for me. Cause I'm born 72. I am who I am right now. The warring done from Clarendon. Me a pen and a play pen. I mean, I keep straight friend.
career flop. Dave Kelly stop right for you.
What I'm trying to do now, is, Anthony, is to remind people of who I am. And I've never gone anywhere too far. I'm still right here with my people in Jamaica, in dancehall, and I'm not leaving. I am going to let you know that the warring done from Clarendon, Warred, never mash up and can't dead.
Bounty kill you a lot of times though, and so did Ninja Man.
When and when? When Bounty did kill Merciless? Bounty Killer have never killed Merciless, no time.
So you've never lost that clash encounter?
No.
But he killed you at the National Stadium. I remember
Where?
that.
When? Bounty Killer go pay some people from Nannyville to come ball forward and fling buckle. No, you no kill me. You know, see me hold in my Miami sting, 2002. When Nannyville people them did they were pay for come fling buckle. Them never did it. You know, see murderation go on there, so.
Say not if at the price.
Does any of that stuff still matter? The war stuff, the clash stuff?
Well, it doesn't really matter to me much, you know. What I'm trying to do
Because
now,
you don't do that anymore.
yes, I'm still warring.
Who you warring with?
Anybody.
Clashes then and now. Different story?
When me and Ninja Man, them and Bounty and Beanie, them a clash. We don't talk about disrespecting your mother and them thing there. Me DJ lyrics about you. Cause me and you war. Oh, your mother coming at this when Mama Eckler and Miss Ivy there in them bed asleep. Oh, mother bring it in. Just DJ lyrics about me. And keep it vibrant.
A face off where me a dealing, you know.
But no mother thing. Respect my mother, yeah?
Hello, mama. The boy them mark me down a chrome.
Anyway, Merciless singing a different tune.
Aye.
That's your return song?
For now.
You think that's going to resonate with Jamaica?
Yeah, man,
You
that-
think
that-
people are going to like that? That has the vibes?
People got to like it.
Merciless also weighing in with words of warning.
Don't do what I did and get messed up like I was.
Like the gun thing in America.
Yeah. Because I'm not the only one who have been through that tragedy. A lot of people been through that, you know, which you don't know. But my thing public, so yes, I was caught up, but I'm still properly brought up.
Foreign serious, every man I get the port.